Alright guys, in this video I'm going from Manchester to London. So actually the plan from this video is to take the train from Manchester, arrive in London Euston, and from there I'll show you the hotel where I stay and I will tell you how much I paid. So that's the plan for this video. So join me, let's explore this together. Let's see, Piccadilly train station. This is the biggest train station in Manchester. If you fancy a sandwich, it's Popeye over here. You see? And here in the front we have a monument. I think it's the World War fighters. What about this? So there are the screen when I can see which platform is, but I already know it's on platform 6. So I just need to make sure I take the right train. From there you buy the tickets, or if you have online tickets you can print it from that machine. Also you can buy from there. So yeah, this is the Manchester Piccadilly train station. Let's just double check to make sure it's the right platform, because I don't want surprises. So here is all the trains. You see, you can go to Doncaster, you can go to Bristol, you can go to Sheffield, literally everywhere. Okay guys, I find the train exactly how I said. It's a platform 6, Avanti, West Coast. This is the train. So I need to get, let me see, because I can't remember which. I'm coach E. So this is A, B. So you see on each one it's a letter. So you need to make sure you get in the right one, especially if you have a seat reserve, because otherwise if it's very busy you'll end up staying on in your feet instead of sitting down. So I recommend you to buy a seat. So this is very strange because this is C, D. Oh, I'm there in the front. I hope I have a window seat. Okay, let's see. So we are on a 51. The guys are cleaning the train. So let's just go. This is E. Sorry.
Here.
So this is the train, guys. Check this out. It's looking very good. So at the moment it's empty, but I reckon it's gonna be busy later. Well guys, I got number 51, which is by the windows, and I love it. I think I'm sitting with the back to the way where we're going, so that is not very convenient, but it is what it is. I can't complain. I have a nice seat, so let's see, and I will show you the journey. And we are off, guys. There we go. First station is Stockport. So the journey is 2 hours and 18 minutes, and I will let you know when we arrive in London Euston. Okay guys, I arrived a little bit early, 3 minutes early than original schedule. So I'm in London Euston. So let me show you around here, and I will get out of here and we will I'll walk to the hotel, because it's around 20 minutes away. It's not far away. I just want to show you a little bit of the station. So that's the train, you see. So if you didn't been here before, this is the station. Let me show you. So this is the Euston station. So we're getting out from there. So from here you can take the train, you can take the underground, the tube, but I don't need a tube because I'm close to the train station, and just want to walk a little bit to show you. So you see, there it's all the trains. So when I will going back to Manchester, I will go back from the same station, from this station also. Oh, let's see, it's a little bit sunny here. Let me get out. So yeah, this is outside, people can wait here. You have a screen over here to see all the trains. It's a beautiful. Now let me check to see which way we need to go, and we will go to the hotel. So it says it's gonna be 21 minutes walk. Check this out here in the front of the train station. It's a monument. I don't know what is that. So we need to walk in this way. Let's see. Welcome to London, guys. What do you think? It's a little bit bright. How I was in a train. That's the reason why I wear the sunglasses now. Somebody lost the clothes over here. Simple, radical, spiritual building over there. So we're going in this way. Yeah, we are on the right way. So from here it's 19 minutes. You can see it's quite busy here in London. It's always like that. Euston station over here. But we leave the station till next time. The temperature it's okay. It's not cold. It's not hot. So it's perfect. I think I need to cross the street here somewhere, and I'll see where. Let me show you this building here in the front. There you go. Nice architecture. Yeah, we need to cross over there. Here we can cross. There's nothing happen here. I don't want to be hit by a car. So let's cross here and I will show you when we're going further up. So this is a nice area, you can see. Here you go, guys, the famous red buses over here. Maybe we will do a trip with this when I'm in London. Check this out, that building over there, how big it is. And this one here. These are not the biggest one in London. So here we're going left. What's happened here with this garbage? I literally just need to go straight, and my hotel is close to the Oxford Road, so it's not that bad. I will show you that area in another video because I'm planning some more videos here in London. I'm a little bit gutted because it's not sunny. Here is the hospital, I think. Emergency departments, I don't know what's that. George Cafe over here. So if you are lost, you have this map over here to see where exactly you're going, you see. The traffic is not that busy because it's Sunday today. So check this out, these buildings here. These red buildings. How old do you think is that building, guys? Let me know if you know, but we will find out because it's over there a sign saying what is this building. Well, it's nice walking, especially when the streets are not that busy. When the streets are full, they are not that nice. So that's a University College London. So here it's a university also. Check this out. And this is the university. There we go. So I reckon that building is from the Victoria era. It was built, very old one. University streets. Okay, guys, I keep going and I will show you when I get closer to the hotel. There we go. So let's keep going on that area. There we go. Let's just walk a little bit to show you. You see? Very beautiful. Let's see if we're going in that way. Can we still get to the hotel? Yeah, let's go on this way. So you see these little cafes over here. This is beautiful. You see? Let's find out how Asa call this street. Because I don't know what's the name of the street. So I like these little businesses here with the tables outside. You can dine. It's like that Italian style. You find something like that in Italy. Everywhere in Italy, especially in south of Italy if you go. Here we go. Bookshop over here. Another cafe here. So here is nice to stay, to chill, to work, to do your work here. There you go. This is a wine bar over here. Life Goodness. Another wine bar over here. This looks more like a Chinese restaurant. A pub over there, but it looks like it's closed, that one. So what's the call this street? I'm trying to find out for you in case you want to come here. I don't know what is the name of this street, to be honest with you. I was looking around. Let me see on a Google if I can find something. Store Street. So yeah, this is the Store Street. So we keep going. Bushaba Bangkok restaurant over there. So it says it's 6 minutes till the hotel. So we are not far away. Check this out. What do you think about that building, guys? So it's my second time in London, guys. I don't know this city, and exactly how I tell you in a previously videos, I don't really like to film in a big city because everybody's doing in a big city, especially in London, all the vloggers. But I say I will show you my experience from the train station to the hotel. There you go. So we arrive here to a main street. It says a lot of Camden, but I'm not in a Camden area. So this is Tottenham Court Road. The wind is very strong here, so I hope you can hear me. So here there are a lot of shops. There's a bank over there. It's good, it's nice to work. Here we have a pub, nice pub or restaurant. What is? I don't know exactly. What is this? I reckon it's a pub with food. So let's keep going because not far from here it's my hotel. And there is a park. We keep going on this street now till the hotel. It's on some points I will need to do left. I think I remember this street for where I've been first time, but I'm not very sure. The buses, the London buses, the red buses. So what do you think, guys? Let me know. Have you been in this area? Here is a sushi. If you want to eat some sushi, if you have fancy some sushi. So yeah, from here you can take the bus. This is the bus. You can see we are close to the Oxford Road. So it's exactly that one where is the big building in the front. So if you go right, you go on Oxford Road. I don't know what is here. This is a hotel here, but this is not my hotel. My hotel should be, says to turn left. Next one. So yeah, exactly how I said that. The big square over there, where is that big building? It's Oxford Road. But we will go in here left, the hotel. It should be here somewhere in the left side. Let's see where exactly it is. I think it's that one with the flag over there. Let's see what the Google Maps says. Okay guys, I will show you the hotel when I arrive there. Okay guys, so here in the front of me is the hotel. This building over here on the corner. Let's just cross the road. So yeah, this is the hotel. Radisson Blu Hotel. So I'm in a lift guys. Apparently they couldn't find my booking, so it was a little bit of struggle. I just need to send the email with a confirmation booking. This is the lift. It looks quite big and beautiful, a lot of mirrors. So I'm on a 6th floor, on a 600. Okay, let's see. Okay, I need to go in this way. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's the black screen. Let's see. 6 to 2. Which side is? It should be this one. A moment of truth. Ooh. So this is the room. Okay guys, it's okay. Let's see the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Everything clean, spotless. You have a shampoo, hand washer, body washer, conditioner. Here are the towels. So let's see. No TV, TV is over there. Let me let my backpack over here. Now let's just try the bed. Let's see the bed how it is. Oh yeah, it's good. Life is good. I like this hotel. It's looking good. So here a little desk if you want to work. Let's see check the view. So this is the view. Not too many to see, but it's okay. Of course the windows you can open. You have the telephone over there. Let's see what else is here. So you have some cups there, some tea if I want some tea. Here is the fridge, something in the fridge, just some water. Perfect, I don't need to buy more water. Here's some cookies, complimentary cookies for breakfast, coffee, hot chocolate if you want, a coffee machine over there. Okay, let's see the drawer, safe. I don't have the table to, what this one is, to iron my clothes. I will find out later and I will let you know. Okay, where is the remote from the TV? Let's see. In the TV it's working. Should work, yeah. And this is the menu if you want to order in a room. So yeah, and this, what is this? Well, what do you think guys? So that's it with this video. Thank you very much for watching. So the trip took me 2 hours and 40 minutes from Manchester Piccadilly to Euston was 1 hour and 18 minutes, and from there another 20 minutes walk. So yeah, this is the hotel. I pay for this room 163 pounds. What do you think? It's more, it's expensive, it's cheap, and it's exactly in a city center of London next to the Oxford Road, literally 2 minutes away from the Oxford Road. And yeah, I will do other videos here in London and I will show you more. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe, to like, comment and I will see you in the next video.